In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the one-key cash reward system on Expedia's website. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone who books trips occasionally, understanding how to maximize your rewards can make a significant difference in your travel experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in expedia.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, take a moment to glance around. You'll find all sorts of travel options, from flights to hotels and everything in between. But today, our focus is on learning about the one-key cash system. From the main Expedia page, you'll need to head over to a specific section dedicated to rewards. So go to the URL www.expedia.com/welcome1-key. This will bring you to the One Key Cash main page. Here, you'll see a wealth of information about Expedia's rewards program. It's designed to help you easily track and manage the rewards you earn as you book travel-related purchases. Once you've familiarized yourself with this page, the next step is to navigate to your personal account. Look for the account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and select the option that says View Rewards. This section is truly the heart of managing your one-key cash rewards. You'll find a detailed overview of your progress within Expedia's reward system. This is where you can see the total amount of one-key cash you've accrued from your bookings. On this page, you'll also have the opportunity to redeem your rewards. Whether you want to apply them to future travel bookings or explore other redemption options, everything you need is right here. It's also a good idea to regularly check this section to keep up with any changes or updates to the rewards you're earning, which can sometimes include promotional bonuses or seasonal deals. And just like that, you're done. Navigating the one-key cash system on Expedia is straightforward once you know where to look. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of your travel bookings and enjoy the benefits that come with Expedia's rewards program. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Expedia's website does have a customer service section you can turn to for assistance. Thank you for watching and happy travels. Stay tuned to our channel for more guides and tips to make your travel experiences even more rewarding and efficient.